We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom, here to share my teacher gifts this year for my son's main teacher and her 4 assistants. I have a special needs child, so his classroom always has assistants. I'm also going to be gifting to his speech and occupational and music therapist as well. But I wanted to share, like I do every year, what I'm gifting to his teacher and assistants. This is his main teacher's gift. And then the assistants. My budget this year was for each assistant, since there are 4, is to stay under $15 per person, and I was able to do that, which I'm going to break down in detail for you guys in just a minute. And then his main teacher, I had a higher budget of about $25 or under, but yeah, I was able to stick to my budget. I used the Cello bags from Bath & Body Works, which you guys know I love. I urge everybody, if you're a Bath & Body Works shopper, to always ask for them year-round. Even if the things you're buying are not for gifts, you can use them for gifting down the road for holidays or birthdays. So the bags were completely free. I just put a little piece of ribbon and curled it. And these beautiful labels, I love them. I got this huge set at Target. There's all different ones, and I actually got these guys last year, the day after Christmas, for 50% off. So there are 70 different ones. There's all different designs. I love that one. But there's all different designs, and then you just write on the back who each gift is for and who it's from, and you can write like a little message. I'm so glad I got these last year, 50% off. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you before I packed all these up so you can see exactly what is in here. I'm going to tell you the prices for everything because it's a little hard to see it through the Cello bags. But I feel that just looking at them, you would never know that they were all gifts on a major budget. And it's never about that anyways. When someone gives me a gift, I never analyze how much it cost. It doesn't cross my mind. So I know these ladies don't either, but since we gift to so many people, I have to stay on a budget for each and every person. So let me show you everything that's in here, all the prices, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so here are all my piles. I have 4 teacher assistant piles and then his main teacher here. So I'm going to run through the assistant piles. These ended up, let me tell you the cost for everything. So these full-size 8-ounce body creams are normally $13.50 each. Bath & Body Works had, I believe, a one-day sale. They were $3.95. I pretty much stalk Bath & Body Works website every single day whenever I can remember during November, because that's when I'm really trying to get the best bang for my buck. So $3.95 a piece, so let's call it $4 a piece. I grabbed each one of them one of these car fresheners. They were $1.99 at TJ Maxx, and each one has 2. So I tried to go with like as holiday-ish scents as I could find. They have apples and cinnamon here. This one is mulled cider. This one is orange and cinnamon. And then this one is warm apple pie. I also gave each one these Ghirardelli. I got this big bag of Ghirardelli squares at BJ's to use for all different gifts, but I gave each one of them a dark chocolate and a milk chocolate peppermint bark. Each gets a candy cane. I got these candy canes for $1. And then these, I think all but one, so 3 of these were free, because Bath & Body Works sends me coupons all the time. That's why they ask you for your email and phone number at checkout. So I got 3 different separate occasions where I had a free hand cream, and I think my mom gave me one as well. So 3 of these were free. They're normally $4, and then this one I paid for, but I did use like a 10 off 30 coupon in a bigger purchase. So these 3 were free. And this one probably ended up being close to free with that $10 off 30 purchase. So very, very little money out of pocket spent on the assistants, which is great because I had a budget set of $15 or less per person. And I think this is a really nice looking gift, especially when I showed you guys earlier how it looks all presented. And then my son's just going to write out like a separate little card to give to each one, like a little holiday card. And I'm going to write a little note thanking them for all their hard work. So that is what went into each of the teacher assistant gifts. And then for Grady's main teacher, she also got one of the creams I got for $3.95. This is the In the Stars scent. It smells really good. The keynotes on this one are Starflower, Sandalwood Musk, Sugar Tangelo, White Argud, and Radiant 8 Amber. It's a really nice scent. I'm also giving her one of these little hand creams in the Snow Kiss Citrus. I also used this when I made that $30 purchase, and then I used a 10 off coupon, so this was pretty much free with this one. These I've just had in my collection, my little gift stash. I'm giving her the Cucumber Melon and the Japanese Cherry Blossom. She's also getting the chocolates, the candy cane, and she's getting a citrus and herb car jar from TJ Maxx. Again, these were $1.99. And then the only difference is his main teacher, I got these 2 roller balls. They are they're perfume sprays. They're like in the shape of a roller ball. And they're little perfume sprays. And I got Magic in the Air, which is a very like wintry scent. And then Japanese Cherry Blossom, which I personally think is like a very universal scent. She really likes, all these ladies really like smelly things. And where we live in upstate New York, we really need cream, and we need hand cream constantly because it is always just so dry and cold. So her gift was a bit more, his main teacher. So again, this was $3.95. This was pretty much close to free with that coupon. These are originally $12.50, but I bought these a couple hand soaps, and then that's when I used the 10 off 30. So these, once you factor that coupon in, guys, these ended up being much cheaper than $12.50. I would say they were probably closer to like $8 each, but I had a little bit higher of a budget for his teacher. So his teacher gift is right here, his main teacher. And then this big bag I'm going to use, there's a bunch left, I'm going to use for a bunch of other small gifts. So I thought I would share the 4 other creams that I got on that $3.95 sale. This one is going to be for a friend of mine. Some of you may know who that friend is by the scent, 1,000 Wishes. And then these 3 are going to go to my son's speech and occupational and music therapy therapists. So each one of those ladies will get a cream, and then I'll put some of these and a candy cane, and just put them all in a cello bag because I have these for days, guys. I always talk about these when you go to Bath & Body Works, whether it's for holiday gifting or not. Ask for cello bags. They're completely free. They're beautiful. They're really big and roomy. They're just a really nice presentation. So I always ask for these year-round. Even when it's not a gift, I always ask for them. So these really saved my life this year. It's just perfect timing. I happened to check on my phone one day because I find like every day or every other day Bath & Body Works is running a promotion this time of year. So check as much as you can if you're gifting Bath & Body Works items. They really did. These alone really saved my life this year and saved my budget this year for teacher gifts. So it was just great. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll give you a final look at the final product one last time. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm gifting Grady's teachers this year, and it gave you some ideas to make up your own gifts. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in my next video.